So heading out this morning, it's like 6:30, on an awesome adventure, and these boys have no idea what it's gonna be. They can't stand the surprise, not knowing.
Just tell me, please.
But I think it'll all pay out.
So it's our last day in Hawaii. We wanted it to be relaxing and we wanted to see part of the island that we haven't seen before. So we decided that we're going to go on a boat charter. We're going to take a boat to the Napali Coast. And on this boat, we're also doing some snorkeling, lunch, breakfast. It should be an awesome, relaxing, fun day.
All right, dude, let's do it. These are the dolphins that I was talking about. These are spinner dolphins, okay? Most common type of dolphin that we get here in the state. But they like riding on the very front of the boat because as the boat goes forward, it creates an underwater wave. It'll be kind of equivalent to like a surfer surfing on a wave. Just to give you guys a general idea on size, that waterfall is about 180 feet tall. Just to give you guys an idea on how big the cliff is.
Can't tell, this is my after. But we just got done with dolphin charters. They did a phenomenal job. The whole crew is a crew of 4, and it was an awesome trip. Unfortunately, somebody did get seasick. Or just felt a little woozy. He didn't fully blow his.
I did not blow my chunks.
Blow your chunks or blow your hole. That sounds really dirty. I'm sorry. He did not blow his chunks.
I did not throw up, but I had to just sit there and stare off into the horizon and not be bothered for a little bit.
But the boys had a great time. We saw spinner dolphins, we saw bottle nose dolphins, we saw a turtle, it was awesome. It was phenomenal. And
flying fish.
Flying fish. And I have to tell you, the Napali Coast, if you have any chance to get down to that coast, either a hike, boat tour, I would say hands down. Or if you can afford a helicopter, you have to get down to the coast. It's breathtaking. But other than that, that was our day, and I don't know, what do you guys say? 2 thumbs up?
100.
8 thumbs up with all of us. So yeah, check them out. And no joke, check out Dolphin Charters. They did a phenomenal job. Phenomenal. After our phenomenal boat trip, it was time to say aloha, farewell to Kauai. It was phenomenal to visit even during the pandemic because everybody was loving, respectful, and the airports were 10 times better going home than they were on our way to Kauai. They definitely got all the kinks ironed out and showed that they were excited to have travelers back on the island. Be sure to check out your guidelines for travel before you book your vacation, but don't let it stop you as well. The small businesses there on the island need your help as well, especially since a lot of their business comes from travelers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Also, comment and let us know how your trip was. We'd love to hear it.
You can do it.
Niall letting me know if food's out. Okay, so if you guys are hungry downstairs, left hand side. Now, once you guys come out of the cabin, keep in mind that you guys are going to be introduced to the wind. Okay, so just